Hey guys, here are the technology notes. I'm going to be tracking login information for easy access for parents. I will share this with you on ClassDojo in a link form. Let me know if you have any difficulties getting in on the screen. As I'm creating documents, I'm going to be getting better at making sure that the privacy settings are open to everybody on the internet, which means that you can access that from home. Okay? Anyone can view, and we'll make sure that we change that up there so anybody on the web can get into the documents. You can't edit it, but you'll be able to view. That will be very helpful. Some of the documents will make copies for the kids so they can type into the devices. One thing that you need to know about your Chromebooks, if you've checked one out from the school district, is that printing is not enabled in them. So you will not be able to print from your child's Chromebook. To get into the Chromebook, you need to have the access information from the school district. If you don't have that, it's really simple. This will help you log into the Chromebook and access your student's email. When your child is enrolled in SELA in kindergarten, every child is assigned an email address. That will come in handy now as we are second graders and have access to the Chromebooks. All right, so to get in there, the username is your child's first name, the first letter of their last name, and their year of graduation. So this is Sally S30 at selaschools.org. The password for the first time that you log in is the same for everybody in the district: 1234 ABCD. They set all of the passwords to that just so it's easy to remember. But once you set up that account, you're going to hop into google.com and add the account onto Google Chrome so your child can click into there. So if I'm going to pretend I'm Harper and doing this, I'm going to click my circle icon here. And I initially clicked manage accounts and set Harper up. So I can switch on over to her account by just clicking on Harper McDonald. I changed her password to something that I can remember. You might want to write that down and put that somewhere private, just to make sure that your child does not share that information with anybody else. So moving on, I am going to be adding a link for ClassDojo to help you guys get your student logged on to the student portfolio. Hopefully, I will know by Thursday or Friday of this week about what learning platform we're going to use for teaching. We will be using things like Screencastify. It's an extension for Google and Google Hangouts to host some group activities and recording of videos. But we'll see what that looks like if we're going to use Google Classroom, something like Seesaw, or just keeping everything very simple for the families and using ClassDojo as a way to send links to our activities. We have a lot of work to do as school is closed for the rest of the year, but learning is still mandated to occur in Washington State. For math, Senora Vargas and I really love Khan Academy, so be sure to check your parent email for an invitation. Once you are on there, I will be able to track your child's progress. And I will be sure to let you know if second grade decides to use something else or if administration chooses another route for us to go for math. But I really do love Khan Academy because there are videos, which as a parent is very helpful. My first year of second grade, I used their videos a lot for myself just to get an understanding of what the strategies look like in second grade for addition and subtraction, since they're so different than how we learned how to add and subtract. Okay, moving on to bookshelf. Check your ClassDojo messages on your parent side. I posted a screenshot of your child's login information for bookshelf with username and password. If I somehow missed you, please don't hesitate to message me on ClassDojo and I will get that to you. Okay? Next stop is another app for math, Prodigy. This is highly recommended and the kids love it. Again, look on ClassDojo in your parent messages. I attached a screenshot of your child's login. Let me know if it was blurry using my Chromebook, so that might not have turned out perfectly. And then so far, Epic is the last resource. this is something we use in the classrooms all the time. If you have an iPad at home, Epic is awesome on the iPad. I'm not sure about the Kindles. Harper has a Kindle, so I will have to check that out. To get onto Epic, it is free until June 30th. So let me know if you did not get a parent email. I have sent it out a couple of times now. So check your parent email first, and you should get an invitation to join our class. And you must join Epic from this email in order to get it for free. Otherwise, you could potentially get charged. The kids love it. It's a lot like Netflix. There are thousands upon thousands of books on there that are really, really good. A lot more fun than Bookshelf. And the cool thing with Epic is that I can also track your students' growth and how much they're reading at home. So that is really helpful on my side. Once you get in there, let me know if you have any problems. I can only see it from the teacher side, so I might need to talk with you over Google Voice to help you navigate. But feel free to message on Class Dojo if you're more comfortable with that. Try the class code VER6619 if you ever get logged out accidentally, as I know that happens. All right, I think this is all I have for you so far for our technology notes. Be sure to not lose this. I'm going to come back to it and do some updates and add some more videos in here to help you find things as we go. Be patient with everything. We're doing our best right now. And the most important thing is that families are feeling okay right now. Okay. I appreciate you all and can't wait to hear from you guys.